Hi, I'm Ikram Hakim and back again with another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna show you based on the last video that I made, I mentioned that I was working on a website, a very cool website I guess, for a brand called Left with Tick. Left with Tick, but I think they pronounce it as TIC. So I'm just gonna show you the website itself and maybe some creative process behind it. I think this is one of my best work yet. I never did a lot of website that back then. But I guess it's one of the coolest website I've ever worked on. So let's go through it, and I'll go through the details of the website, even the tiniest details. So yeah, let's start. Okay, I'm gonna show you the screen. Okay, so we start with the main landing page. So it's left with tic.com. You can see the browser icon here, TIC Corp. So I tried to be as detailed as possible, including the metadata and stuff like that. If we search left with TIC on Google, then you can see something like this. Best red tees on the internet, new from TIC Corp. Aura friendly graphic tees, and stuff like that. But another cool thing is, I think we can check on Facebook social media post. Yes, was it? I forgot. I think it's sharing the bugger. Eh, I forgot what was it, but basically, if you share social media post meta tag art, that's I think it was something like that. Okay, so basically, if I insert this into this open graph thing, and this is how it looks like on social media. Yeah, so you can see Facebook, it looks like this. Let's just zoom in. This is how it previews on different website. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Yeah, so I guess most of the stuff for this website is really thought out through in a way. So let's get into it. Okay, on the index or landing page, you'll see this logo on top, and then there's like a MacBook screen that is like a break off from the keyboard, and there's a GIF playing behind. And actually, you can actually play the video, so let's watch it. In the spotlight, he's gonna check that bitch out. Let me know he starts to be fun. Yeah, this is a video of the campaign. So let's enter the site. To enter the site, instead of just pressing or tapping to enter, using a slide to enter. And we have this like subtle loading, and if you can see, there's like tutorial, a mini tutorial on how to navigate this section right here. Wait, let me just refresh it again. Yeah, this is the onboarding animation that I thought that would help to guide user on how to use the website. Basically, you have this model in the middle, and then if you drag your T-shirt nearby the model, it will change the model pose. You see, yeah, can test out different T-shirts. So this idea, I was inspired by those dress up games back in the days. And I was thinking, oh, okay, so since we are working on a fashion brand, then I guess the concept works here. So I feel it's pretty cool. But user experience wise, I'm not sure if it's gonna convert to any sales, but it just feels cool, and it's very engaging to see, the character moving and reacting to your interactions. So if you drag different t-shirt, you can see different name, and you can even actually buy it. So if you slide, a pop-up will appear with the t-shirt that you dragged in. and you can change the okay, this red and mouse. So instead of using woman and man fitting, we decided to go with red and mouse. So mouse is for smaller fitting, and then red is for more bigger fitting. Then I have this tooltip here showing the model height and what t-shirt they are wearing, just to guide user on how it might look like on them. And yeah, so let's go back to mouse, and you can see model is 5'4" and waist size S. And slide to buy also. You can change size. For mouse, they only have S, MM, and then for red, they have from S to XL. And from shipping it, the shipping info is just a pop-up showing it's made to order. Please allow 2 3 weeks for printing and shipping. And we have sizing guide here. This is a fun part also. It's just like a basic table right here showing all the sizes, and you can choose between red and mouse too. But this virtual try on, there's some extras of that I add, and I think it's quite cool feature. So when you press this, will bring you to another tab. It's actually hosted by Snapchat web AR thing. So yeah, you can try the cloth, the you can try the t-shirt and see how it might look like on you. And I think it's a very cool or very yeah, it's a very cool feature. But I don't think I'm not sure if it's needed, but it's a cool add-on. Okay, let's get back to the website. So let's say if you find the right size, you look at the guide and then you just want to buy it and just put it to cart. Then it will be added to cart. You can add 2, 3 if you don't mind. And yeah, another detail that I like here is this fill light button to switch between the models, which is really cool. And then there's like a really how to say cool animations going on the navbar. I'm gonna go to the cart to see the oops. Or that's another thing that I added here is like a if you move your cursor around, there'll be like a t-shirt appearing on where your cursor is. Yeah, this is the cart. It's very simple design for the cart, but it works, I guess. Just like cancel out. And let's take a look at the lookbook here. I really like the loading there. And then yeah, this is the lookbook. You can see the cursor will change the direction based on where it is. So meaning if it's on the right side of the screen, it will go to the right, and you can press button click it, and it will go to the direction where it's at. On mobile phone, it will be a swipe thing, but you can't really see the cursor. That is how it looks like on web. I think it's really cool. And to buy, it's the same thing. The same pop-up will appear. You can just change from red to mouse and add to cart. Same thing. I also added like some Easter egg here. If you go to the most right, obviously this perfume thing. This is actually fake. I don't think they are selling this, but if you actually pay for it, maybe they might make it work for you guys. I don't know. But it's actually expensive. Yeah, I think that's most part of the browser. I mean, of the web. Let's go back to uh to the main page. Let's check out the tracking portal here. So this is actually a dashboard that I also helped make, including the database. But I didn't use any complex database setup. I just use let me show you. I think I can show you this at maybe no, but I just use simple setup with Google Sheet and AppScript where you guys where they can just update the user order through Google Sheet if the order is ready and stuff like that. So let's check it out. That's different state of order, and okay, let's say this is number of your receipt and you start order. You will have this very cute GIF of a rack packing your order. And then it will show you the status, ship, when was the order date, what items, and a tracking number. You can just track with the shipping carrier that it was shipped with. Let's try another order. I think this one. Yeah, this one is making your order. It's still on the way. Currently crafting your order with care. Please allow us up to 7 days for production before shipping. Thank you for your patience. Something like that. And then let's try another one. I think there's something that I did. Order received. Thank you for your order. Your order has been received, and our reps will begin crafting it within 24 hours. Check back soon to see your order progress. So yeah, I tried to be as detailed as I can. Yeah, I think that's the most of the website. Or let's say if you buy, you happen to check out. Yeah, wait, let me just buy one t-shirt. Happen to check out. This is how it looks like. Let's go to the cart. Check out. I use Stripe for this, so I'll bring you to a Stripe page for you to check out. And then yeah, you can choose between Malaysia or shipping to the rest of the world with different prices. Yeah. And then let's say once you've checked out, right? Let's go to the success page. This is what you see. Thank you for your order. Your payment was successful. And you will receive your order proceeding, and then you can also track your order with the tracking portal and just continue shopping. I'll bring back to the page. Yeah, I think that's all for the website. I think it's quite cool overall. It's one of the best website I've made to me. Maybe I'll make way better website in the future, but I'm really proud of this one. Yeah, thank you for watching the video.